Hello, people, welcome back to the Novelist Girl podcast. I'm your host, and we are connected on the day 7. Today, we are going to talk about how to decide a career that is right for you. कैसे आप एक ऐसा करियर चुन सकते हैं जो आपके लिए सही है. If you have already chosen your career, just ask yourself a single question. Are you doing what you were meant to do? क्या आप वो काम कर रहे हैं जो आपको करना चाहिए? If I say 70 to 80% people are not satisfied by the job or work they are doing at present. और ये वो काम है जिसके लिए उन्होंने सालों तक मेहनत की है, अपना टाइम, पैसा, रिसोर्सेज, एफर्ट सब कुछ लगाया है, and still they are not happy. The main problem behind it is we are not told about it at very earlier stage. और जिस टाइम पे हमें अपना करियर डिसाइड करना होता है, just after class 10th, most of the students are in their teenage. और उन्हें अब तक सिर्फ टेक्स्ट बुक से क्वेश्चन याद करना और उसे पेपर पर लिखना सिखाया गया. They are just not given any real life experience. Now the system would take a lot of time to improve. So what you can do before? So first one is research. Firstly, you have to analyze yourself. That what is your inner calling? आपके अंदर से क्या आता है? Now to find your inner calling, there are 3 points that can help you. First one is you should be good at this. कौन सी एक ऐसी चीज है जो आप बहुत अच्छे से करते हो? You don't have to compare with others. There always would be people better than you. But वो आप improve कर सकते हो जब एक बार आप decide कर लो कि आपको करना क्या है. Second one is you feel appreciated and satisfied. आपको खुशी होनी चाहिए वो करके, चाहे उसमें कितने ही efforts लग रहे हैं. ऐसा काम जिससे आप कर रहे हैं तो आपको टाइम का ध्यान ही ना रहे. You just enjoy it thoroughly. Third one is you should feel like you are serving someone to make their life better. Everyone need not to be a doctor to serve others. Even if you are running a very small business and you treat your customers very well, provide them good services, that's enough. If I talk about myself, it's been 7 days since I started podcast. Now, why I'm doing this? First one is I believe that I am good at it, that I can speak well, I can connect with people well. Second one is I feel satisfied while doing it. Third is I believe that I might help at least one person in a day through my talk, and that's enough for me. So that's why I'm doing it. Now the next thing is don't go to others to decide for your callings. You can seek help but decide yourself. Friends, family, teachers, society, no one is gonna decide it for you. They can just advise you. You have to do the final decision for yourself. Now, once you have decided your calling, then you have to work on it. And it's gonna be difficult. Easy बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. You have to learn a lot of things. When you step out in the outer world, you will get number of people with same passion and better skills. So you have to polish yourself. One important thing you have to remember is callings never come with an instant paycheck. It will take time and efforts. And there is no such thing कि इसका स्कोप नहीं है. दुनिया में हर चीज का स्कोप है. And everyone is capable to earn their living. That is what I believe. So that's all from my side. I hope it will help you. Please let me know if you want me to discuss the topic of your choice. Thank you all for connecting. Stay tuned for the next episode.